So here's why we gotta love Buzzers. It's innovative and cool, and they now have laser tag.
There's a new spot on the block, so let's find out what's buzzing at Buzzers 2.0. What impact do you think it's going to have on the city and just Jamaica in general?
In Portmore, we don't have a lot of entertainment for our children. So this one is going to impact very heavily.
Is this your next family spot?
It's great. I can honestly tell you, it's not just a family spot. It's like a bridging spot though. I mean, it's not just about kids, adults can come and enjoy themselves. I live in Kingston, Buzzers in Portmore, and I was just telling the owners that just a laser tag alone, I will just come over with a bunch of my friends and just have fun.
Laser tag, just to name one of many. You know, how is the experience?
Laser tag is gonna be groundbreaking. I can tell you this. I can put my name on it. That persons are gonna be coming from far and wide to have this laser tag experience, both adults and children.
It's really fun.
What's your favorite game here?
I think it's Lucky Turn. You get lots of tickets.
What do you love so much about Buzzers?
The people that you meet here and how nice the people treat you here.
I'm gonna invite all my Portmore people to let them know that this is where the fun at.
Trying laser tag for the first time here at Buzzers and I came forth. I don't think I did too bad. It was a bigger space and more games. Trust me, we're all ready to unleash the fun.